And this is definitely not to spank your butt.
Hi guys, welcome back to X and Yung, and this is episode 2 of the house staging or house makeover project. Okay, so this is where you actually learn how to house stage and where we put all the decoration so that the house looks beautiful. Alright, so these are 10 tips from my friend Sean, which he will show you in this video.
You want to lay out all the inventory to at least have a visual lah, to know what you have and what you are doing. So we got some books. Definitely the books don't belong to the kitchen, right? And as you can see, these books are not real books, right? It's just a cardboard. Yeah, you can't even open it.
Oh, it's nothing.
It's nothing. Yeah, but that's what how staging works, right? It's all for show and for the eyes only. Yeah. It's a butt spanker. Yeah, I say definitely not for here. It's just to lay everything out. Yeah. Then we will just use whatever we need. Then whatever we don't need, we will keep it back after that. Yeah. So we got some deco here. No. It's definitely not you see one space then you fill up. Yeah. You know, it has to have a certain. Yeah. Definitely not like that. Fail. Yeah.
Put the camera in front.
Yeah, sure. Very quickly, you see got some gap, then you just put some stuff, you know, just like that. Yeah, you just put here. Yeah, so this living room against the wall, you see the line? Yeah, just against. This one. Here. Yeah. Can Okay. This is definitely for a king size, but the bed is a queen. How can we fix this? Maybe we can stuff some pillows to make the bed looks bigger. You know, we once had a situation where we use a sofa. Yeah, sofa, right? And we turn the sofa and the bed base into a bed. Then we just stage it. Then in the room also, there'll be a sofa. Then maybe I bring the bean bag from the home and put here. Yeah. This one, the dining table, right, will be very small. You know, that's not a dining table. Yeah, then they will make this place look very big lah. Yeah, then this ugly thing, right, no choice, I got to put something to cover it. Then I will have to have something complementary. Yeah, and then with here also. Boom.
I think you put in that room.
So Lala move total 212.
Yes.
Okay, I top up, I give you all 250. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
250. But I will pay you 150 first.
Okay.
I pay you 150. You finish this one by today or tomorrow. I give you back the remaining $100. Okay, can? Then 250 altogether. Can? Okay, thank you. Okay, don't forget we have many rooms. So we will have to deploy accordingly. Okay, so stay tuned to see our final product. Put you around.